No. Alright. What do you think, Mikas? Do you like it? Yeah? Hello and welcome to Granted Gardens. This week we're going to do something a little bit different than a regular garden tour. This week we're setting up our camping equipment that we have accumulated over the last year to make sure that it works before we actually take it camping. Check it out. I don't know about y'all, but for me, essential to bring on every camping trip. Bugs love me. Tense up. What's next?
Organization.
We gotta try and get up the little umbrella thing over the dining area. So we got the canopy up. Not pros at it yet, but it's up and it's standing. That counts. Right over here, got the tent. Now it's time to dig through the copious amount of boxes of camping stuff. Pretty sure we have enough pots and pans just for camping that could fill somebody's kitchen. Like, oh my word. Alright, so kitchen utensils.
That's pretty much it.
We've still got the cups and plates and bowls in the house though. I washed them. Some chairs. Yeah, that's not bad actually. And we're burning the futon tonight. Alright, lighting's terrible, but we're gonna try this anyways. So we're getting ready to cook dinner. So first and foremost, we've got some veggies. Most of this is from the garden. We've got the cabbage, tomatoes, peppers, green peppers and yellow peppers from the garden in here, along with some herbs that we mixed from the garden and some oil. So we're gonna put this on. Then, anybody know anything about steak on a steak? The greatest thing ever. So we've got some steak here that we're going to cook over the fire. And then what is a meal without mac and cheese? We got it up.
Yay!
I'd call it a success. I think it looks pretty good. I think we look like professionals. No.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to sharing more with you soon.